And if you're worried at this time about the virus of having people come, there's so much that you can do without having to be face to face with the company. I would feel comfortable having them come and do work even now.
And so for the second job that we did, I just had texted Caroline and said, hey, we want to get our house painted, how do we do that? And they responded with a quote for the work and didn't even have to go see them. They were familiar with the house because they'd already worked on it and was able to do everything over the computer or via text. And it's very convenient, very easy, and especially as Ann was saying, worrying about this contact with people because of the virus, there was no qualms at all with doing it online and feeling secure in that.